Most contractors sign up for software like Buildertrend, expecting instant organization and smoother projects. But here's the truth no one tells you. The tool itself does not fix your workflow. It only exposes how organized or disorganized your business already is. In this video, you'll get a brutally honest review of Buildertrend in 2026, including what it does well, where it struggles, and who should actually use it before spending any money. Let's get straight into it. Buildertrend is a construction management platform built for home builders, remodelers, and contractors who want everything in one system. That includes scheduling, budgeting, client communication, project tracking, and document management. On paper, it sounds like the perfect solution. But the real question is, does it actually work well in day-to-day construction operations? Now here's where it gets interesting. Buildertrend is powerful, but it is not simple. Let's start with setup. When you first enter Buildertrend, you are not just installing an app. You are building a system. That means setting up projects, templates, budgets, schedules, and client workflows. A contractor like Jake who expects quick plug-and-play results may feel overwhelmed in the first few days. But a contractor like Alex managing multiple renovation projects will start to see structure once everything is properly configured. But here's the problem. Most users quit too early. They expect results without setup discipline. Now let's talk daily use. Once Buildertrend is set up correctly, it becomes a central hub for your entire business. You can track job progress, assign tasks, manage subcontractors, and communicate with clients all in one place. This reduces scattered messages and lost information. Instead of texting multiple people, everything is logged in the system. Now here's where most people fail. They don't enforce team usage. If your team does not consistently update the platform, it quickly becomes incomplete and unreliable. Let's talk client communication. This is one of Buildertrend's strongest features. Clients can log into a portal, view progress photos, approve changes, and track updates. For example, a homeowner named John no longer needs to call the contractor every day, asking for updates. Everything is visible in real time. This alone can save hours of communication per week. But here's the catch. Clients also need to be willing to use the system. If they ignore it, you lose some of that benefit. Now let's talk budgeting and financial tracking. Buildertrend offers strong tools for estimates, job costing, change orders, and budget tracking. This is especially useful for contractors who need visibility on project profitability. You can see where money is being spent, where overruns happen, and how each project is performing. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Most contractors underestimate how powerful this becomes when used consistently. It can completely change how you price future jobs. But it only works if your data is accurate. Now let's talk performance and limitations. Buildertrend is not lightweight software. It can feel slow or overwhelming if you try to use every feature at once. There is also a learning curve, especially for teams new to digital tools. Another limitation is pricing. Buildertrend is not cheap, and the cost makes more sense for contractors running multiple projects rather than small one-off jobs. Now here's the real-world breakdown. If you are a solo contractor doing small jobs here and there, Buildertrend may feel like too much system for too little benefit. But if you are managing multiple crews, multiple projects, and need structured communication, it becomes far more valuable. So who is Buildertrend actually for in 2026? It is for growing contractors who are ready to move from messy communication and spreadsheets to a structured, centralized system. It is not for people looking for a simple scheduling app. Now let's wrap it up clearly. Buildertrend is powerful, but it requires commitment. It will not magically organize your business. It will organize what you put into it. If you use it correctly, it can improve communication, project tracking, and financial visibility. If you use it poorly, it will feel complicated and expensive. So the real question is not whether Buildertrend is good. The real question is whether your business is ready for it. If this review helped you understand Buildertrend clearly, hit like so more contractors can see it. Subscribe for more honest software breakdowns. And comment below what tool you want reviewed next so you can make smarter decisions without wasting time or money.